Hello, Mr. Franklin?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Are you Deputy Franklin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Mr. Franklin, I'm going to ask you to remove your cat for right
Yes,
now
ma'am.
because we're in the court. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
and so your attorney, Mr. Hess, okay, he's not here yet, but as soon as he gets here, we'll bring him in, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
All right.
thank you. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room.
Okay.
Hello, test. I have everybody here if you're ready.
I am ready, but I don't see anyone except you.
We're the only ones here. I'm just getting your permission to let them in.
Oh, we just had a recalcitrant attorney come in.
Oh, so do we need to wait?
No. Rick, do you need something real quick?
No.
No, he does not.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Franklin. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Mr. Franklin, do you see your attorney on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All right, I'm ready to.
Good afternoon. The 69th court is now in session. I will call. I hear some feedback. Do you hear that?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there anything we can do about it?
Let me see if that's on this end. Are you guys good now?
I think that is better. Yes.
All right.
That took care of it. Hang
Court
on
will
just
call.
a second. Let the family know. Okay,
court
thank you.
Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Court will call case number 4679, the state of Texas versus Devin Tyree Franklin. Is the state ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
And is the defense ready?
Defense ready, Your Honor.
And sir, for the record, are you Devin Tyree Franklin?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And are you the same Devin Franklin that previously pled guilty to an offense that occurred on August 26, 2019, specifically evading arrest with a motor vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, after you pled guilty, you were placed on deferred adjudication or probation and agreed to follow all of the terms and conditions of probation. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Right, sir, the state is alleging that you violated the terms and conditions of your probation. Specifically, the state is alleging that on or about July 6, 2020, you committed the offense of murder in the first degree in Denver, Colorado. Also, that you failed to report to your probation officer for several months in 2019, 2020, and 2021. And also on June 13th, 2020, you were found to be in possession of a firearm. And also you failed to complete 80 hours of community service restitution and a rational behavioral therapy class. Sir, how do you plead to the state's allegations, true or not true?
True.
Ms. Anchondo, is there a plea agreement in this case?
There is, Your Honor, in exchange for the defendant's plea of true, the state has agreed to recommend to the court that the court adjudicate the defendant guilty, revoke his community supervision, and sentence him to confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division for a period of 6 years. Any outstanding fine, restitution, court costs, or fees as reflected in the judgment. The defendant is entitled to 621 days time credit previously served. Additionally, this is to run concurrent with his Colorado sentence.
Mr. Franklin, you have heard the district attorney announce a plea agreement. Is that the plea agreement that you reached with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Hess, do you concur that was the plea agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Franklin, I will follow the recommendation of the district attorney. I will accept your plea of guilty and I will adjudicate you guilty of the offense of evading arrest with a motor vehicle. And I will sentence you to confinement in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division for a period of 6 years. I will also order that you pay the remaining fine balance, which the judgment shows to be $2,710, and the remaining restitution, which the judgment shows to be $319. And also, I will note that you have 621 days jail time credit. I'll also note that this sentence is to run concurrently with the sentence you are presently serving in Denver, Colorado. Sir, do you have any questions about that judgment?
No, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there anything further from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything further from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Franklin, have you been satisfied with your representation by Mr. Hess in this case?
Yes, I have. Thank you.
And has he done everything that you asked him to do?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Franklin. You may be excused.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Hess, Ms. Anchondo, if that's all, then court will be